What does aesthetic even mean? According to Google, it says it's something concerned with beauty or the principles that underlie art. So the question is, why do aesthetics even matter? When things are aesthetic, we are usually drawn to them. So for example, this keyboard is aesthetically pleasing. It makes me want to type on it. This in turn allows me to get more work done. So in a sense, the aesthetics of the keyboard makes me want to use it. This can be said about a lot of things. For example, a home office space that is clean and is aesthetically pleasing makes you want to work in it. So where's the QK60 rank in terms of aesthetics? If we look at aesthetics on a sort of continuum, on one end, aesthetics can be seen in terms of its form, and on the other end, it can be seen in terms of its function. I feel like the QK60 comes in slightly closer to the form area, as the convenience of having a dedicated function row is missing. The thing is, I'm willing to miss out on that functionality for an aesthetically pleasing keyboard that is symmetrical. I've also quickly gotten used to the HHKB layout and pressing FN with other keys. The assembly process was actually quite complicated in the beginning. I had no idea what to do and there were so many parts to work with. But once I had a look at the Discord, it was quite easy to assemble. I built this keyboard as intended with all of the foams included with the POM plate and Durock POM linear switches. I ordered the POM plate, which gives a see-through look to the PCB. However, it didn't quite match with the rubber key replacement that came with the kit. I did a bit of a DIY job and decided to spray paint the PCB matte black. I feel that I'm actually more motivated to get work done with this keyboard, as it's just so aesthetically pleasing. The aesthetics actually make me want to use it. Just as we use other items that are pleasing to look at, I enjoy typing and using the QK60 for its design as well as its sound and feel. Here's a quick sound test for you to get an idea of how this sounds. The sound of this keyboard is more clacky, meaning that it produces a higher pitch. I quite like the sound of the keyboard overall compared to my previous keyboard. The feel is also very satisfying. With the Durock POM switches, I decided to use them stock. Overall, I think the HHKB layout is very aesthetically pleasing. It is symmetrical and easy to get used to. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video or learned something in the process, consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one. Peace.